next green corner. Hey guys, and also, did you like the song I'm putting on Mom's songs?
Oh, my playlist?
Yeah, playlist. I was going to say that.
Okay.
And also, hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit all notifications on. And also, like today's video so I can have riches. It's raining morning on the street.
Okay.
You can go back.
I know you're kidding because we're just having fun. So anyway,
And today
okay.
we're reading Ink.
What are you reading?
The Green Tractor.
All right, let's see it.
Or if I say the Green Bungee.
Can I see? Okay. All right, what does it say right here? What's it saying? What's...
The Green Tractor.
Okay, and then what's it say in the blue? What's it say right there?
My first farm book.
I think that's true. Okay, the Green Tractor. Let's begin.
Once upon a time, the Green Tractor was made.
All right, let's go on.
First farm book. The Green Tractor is busy harvesting. The animals can hear him chug chug. Green Tractor gets apples from market.
Wait. What's this word? Green Tractor gets apples.
From
Nope.
for market.
Yeah, from market.
He noisily
Good.
pulls his load. Chug chug. At first, I saw something else.
Yeah, I know.
I don't. They have similar words
That's okay.
sometimes. Next, Green Tractor goes to the field. He loads up with straw.
Excellent.
Chug chug.
Nice.
A Green Tractor takes the straw to the barn. He unloads it inside. Chug chug. Trying to make myself it's cabbage. I think there's ants from this book. It's time to plant some seeds. Green Tractor is getting dirty. Chug chug. He turns over the earth with his plow. His noise startles the birds. Chug chug, which means scare.
That's good. That's what it does.
Which means startle. Watch out, Green Tractor! A fallen tree. He pulls it away. Chug chug.
Nice.
Green Tractor goes home down the lane. He leads muddy tracks. Chug chug. The end.
Wow, okay. Good job.
Thanks for watching episode 49. Oh my god, we're almost at 50. That's our special episode. I'll give you hints part of school and something last.
Okay. So, anything else you want to say?
Thanks for watching the episode. Really hope you like it. And subscribe to today's video. And also, I'll have another song coming now. Goodbye. I'm in space. Hey, why are you still here? It's over. Goodbye.